So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Katambayan Channel in May Holocon. On behalf of Icon as well, Norma, I'm here to represent Katambayan. First of all, Sir Roger Rafanan, we would like to congratulate you. He is one of the, how do you say it, parang isa na siyang pillar na entrepreneur here in Barcelona. So, one of talagang masasabi natin businessman kilala niyo sa Barcelona. None other than, as I've said, his name, Mr. Roger Rafanan. Sir Roger Rafanan, can you tell us something po about your business na Western?
Yes, actually, ang pangalan na namin, bagong empresa namin is Ambassadors. So, ang Western Union is isa lang sa mga addition sa ating business. Which is, ang major talaga namin is ang Alin Cargo. Then, ang Western kasi is almost 2 years namin ginawa ito, waiting in the making. Almost 2 years na inantay yung mga license bago na-approve lahat. So, ngayon, is na once na nung na-approve nila, ginawang concept store itong office natin. So makikita nyo na Western na talaga, Western Union, which is partner of Ambassadors, yun nga, pati yung sa cargo natin, and then ating other services na inaalok pa sa Filipino community. Then ang rest assure ko sa ating mga kababayan is I'm planning to lesser yung charge ng pagpapadala para naman remittances para naman makatulong sa ating mga kababayan. Instead na mataas yung charge is idadagdag na lang doon sa ipapadala, which is 2 euro, 3 euro is malaking bagay. Hopefully, they will approve it dahil siyempre hindi naman kasi basta-basta implement natin hanggat walang approval ang Western. Alam naman natin ang Western Union is hindi sa atin, which is lang tayo, big company lang tayo. And then hopefully na ma-i-approve nila dahil I think this is their first branch here in Barcelona, especially here in Ciudad Bella. Yun. So maraming salamat sa Katambayan at kay Iwan, dumating kayo. At of course, salamat. Sana marami rin kayong matutulungan na mga Filipino entrepreneurs na katulad namin. And then laban lang lahat ng mga gustong sumabak sa business, lakas lang ng loob. At I'm sure, basta maganda lang yung ginagawa natin, sa puso natin, I'm sure na magiging successful tayo. Thank you.
Sabi ko, si Sir Roger Rafanan po ay sa mga entrepreneur dito sa Barcelona. Hindi po tayo nagsasalita ng 10 years. It's almost 3 decades already. Almost 3 decades already na nagsisilbing mabilang sa business as well as the Filipino community. So, sabi po niyang impresa kay Ambassador. So, ang included po doon ay Western Union and of course,
Alin Cargo
Express. So, if you want to send your boxes to the Philippines, and some other countries as well?
Yes, actually, other countries also. And ang maganda naman, I would like to take this opportunity also na ang Alin Cargo ngayon is competitive yung yung price natin. Tinitingnan natin talaga kung paano tayo makakatulong sa mga kababayan natin. And then, kapag yung mga magpupurgot, kung gusto nilang ipadalahat, yung mga gamit nila sa bahay, pwede na ngayon. Unlike before, hindi pwede. So, actually, kanina lang, kakalod lang namin ng isang container.
Wow.
So, medyo
pagod pa.
Pagod pa.
Si sabi, hindi lang sa Filipino community ang kinikater niya as well as sa other nationalities.
Yes.
And going back to Western Union, sir, sabi niyo nga gusto niyo magkaroon ng promo, not just for Filipino community as well, pati sa mga local here in Spain.
Yes.
Paano niyo po masisigurado sigurado na mabilis ang service and as well, magiging safe po yung ating pagpapadala. Pero alam naman natin, sa pangalan pa lang talagang
Yes, yes,
So,
yes.
how can you assure our Filipino community as well as the locals na magiging safe at mabilis ang kanilang service?
Yes, actually, una, yung ambassadors is matagal nang may pangalan na sila sa Italy. I think they have ilan ba sir yung ano natin sa Italy, ilang branches sa Italy?
Meron mga
15 branches sila sa Italy. So this is the second branch here in Spain. Kahapon nag-open sila sa Madrid, which is our partner also with Alin Cargo. And then ngayon dito, pangalawa. So hopefully sa iba't ibang lugar like Valencia, rin na rin tayong Valencia, nandiyan yung agent natin from Valencia. And then Palma de Mallorca, may agent na rin tayo doon. So we are working.
Nanganganak
Mm.
ating
Yes, buong Spain. Actually, ang Alin Spain, ang ano natin, hindi na lang Alin Barcelona, which is
Wow.
Alin Espanya yung dala natin.
Congratulations.
Yes, po.
So, we will make this interview longer because I know that your guests and as well si Bonjan nandyan, si Father nandyan, ganun ka-important ka sa community, Sir Roger. And I hope na just, sabi nga ni Father, yung business pagka lumalago, hindi lang dapat yung komunidad ang makakaramdam ng paglago.
Yes.
As well, we need to help the less fortunate from the Philippines. And I know that you're doing that. And Kalipay Foundation, that's correct?
Yes.
That you're helping them. So that's it, Sir Roger. And maybe some advices to all the future business entrepreneur who wants to build their own business.
Yes, isang ano lang, isang advice lang sa mga local entrepreneurs. So, lakas ng loob lang 'yan kasi 'yun ang importante. Kung walang lakas ng loob, wala. Dapat ano tayo. Siyempre maraming ups and down, pero dapat is handa tayo. Handa tayong labanan yung mga ganun. So, maraming salamat at congratulations. sa ating lahat.
Congratulations, sir. So, on behalf
Okay.
of Katambayan Channel, we would like to congratulate once again Sir Roger Rafanan, Ma'am Lolit, and the company as well from Team Milan.
From
sir.
Ambassadors.
From Ambassador Milan, nandun din sila. Congratulations. And this is your host, I can say one of the Katambayan as well, Lay Halakon. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a good afternoon.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Kasama ka sa bawat balita, Katambayan. Para sa Pinoy sa Barcelona.